What's out there? What's on the other side? What's next? One can only find out if he is willing to explore. But sometimes, it's better to let life surprise you. Prague was beautiful in December. Snow was falling. The city was bright and busy. The air was different. It was the perfect place for 5 hungry creatives to come together and explore. The city offered no rules. There was only freedom to try, to do, to create, to be. There were moments when you thought you knew exactly where to go. But a simple turn can lead to a revelation. There we were in a new place. 5 people who barely knew each other, seeing things we've never seen before. Film, visual arts, food, music. It was a perfect setting to discover new ways of creating, to break new grounds of learning and unlearning. Energy is infectious. Passion is contagious. If you decide to open yourself to new experiences with new experiences, who knows what can come out of it? It all started in Prague. Who knows where our passion can take us?